It's Tonya Lawrence, the blockchain queen. I make crypto easy to understand and to purchase. And guys, today's no different. I am here because I'm starting an initiative for the end of 2025. It is December 26th, the day after Christmas. I hope everyone had an amazing day with their family, friends, whoever they decided to spend it with. And I am helping people get prepared for what's coming in 2025. I'm helping you build your crypto confidence. So, for the next 6 days, I will have a new topic that I go over to help prepare you to be in a position where you're able to start building your own crypto portfolio. If you don't know me, again, I'm Tanya Lawrence, the blockchain queen. And since 2016, I've been in the crypto space helping people start portfolios, finding out information about different coins, different platforms, and as you can imagine, I've been there, seen that, did that. And so I am here to be your crypto goddess, right? To help you get through this process. I want to make sure that you have the information you need to make informed decisions. You're able to start building your crypto portfolio because if you've been watching the news, you know that in the United States in particular, crypto is going to make a big move because this new administration has it at the top of their list of things that they're going to work on to move more and more companies onto the blockchain, to move more and more acceptance into the digital currency arena. And so having the information, understanding what to do, what not to do, having someone you trust to work with. Guys, I've been around. I'm a retired investment banker. Again, spent since 2016, been in this space helping people build crypto portfolios. You can go down through my pages and you'll see my testimonies. I'll throw some more screenshots up there today to let you see what people say about me. But I want to make sure that you don't miss this boat. So here I am the day after Christmas at my mama's house. We got my grandkid running around upstairs, my nephews having a great time, having fun. And I was like, let me pop into my mama's office and make sure people know what I am about to provide them with. So, if you're someone who wants to join my free community and start over the next 6 days getting tools and information that can help you build your own crypto portfolio, I'm not talking about someone saying, give me your money and I'm going to promise you a return, guys. If someone says that to you, I'm just going to ask you to really do your due diligence. If the company does not have a solid way to perform and give you returns as an investor, oftentimes my husband and I will jump into investments and they say, here's your return on investment, here's what you can expect from this. But sometimes these companies, they come and promise things that seem too good to be true, which usually means, guess what, they are, right? And I can't tell you how many in the early stages I was like, man, this makes sense. They're talking about how they're trading the coins, and it makes sense that they're trading. And they just want to share some of their profits with us. Well, guess what? About 6 months later, those companies were gone. And so I would talk to the CEOs of different platforms, and they would promise the world. And 6 months later, you couldn't find them, right? And so here I am in 2024 saying, guys, you don't have to do that, but you also don't have to give up on your family's legacy. And right now, when you look at where we are with the development of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, we are about where we were back in 1997 when the internet was created. And so, if you're someone who's my age who wished that you knew what the potential of the internet was back in 1997, but you just didn't know, you didn't have someone that can walk you through and guide you through that process to figure out, number one, how can I invest in the latest technologies? Number two, how can I use this more efficiently in my life? Well, you don't have to wait anymore. You don't have to guess anymore because I am here right now helping you, and you get to go into my free community. If you're like, listen, you had me at free, you had me at 1997, just put crypto in the chat. I will get the information to you to jump onto the platform and start getting this free information. But if you're in that feeling that emotion right now, that mode right now. You're like, Christmas is over. I need to start thinking about what we're doing for 2025 because it can't end the way 2024 did. Guys, I am here for you. I want to make sure you get the knowledge, the information, and more importantly, you're a part of a community that's going to help you grow and build to who you want to become. And I will tell you that when um, before I come on here live anytime, where it doesn't matter what I'm talking about, who I'm talking to, I pray first, right? I ask God, who do you want me to talk to? Who am I supposed to be talking to make sure they receive the message, they receive this download of information, this gift that you've given to me? Who am I supposed to be connecting with? And so if you're hearing my voice, just know it's not by accident. The creator sent you my way and wanted you to hear this information because it may have been something that was dormant in you. It may have been on your spirit at the moment. The holidays came, the year came, so many things happened in your life, and you just didn't know where to start. I am that person that wants to help you start and move in the right direction. So, for the next 6 days, December 26th through December 31st, I'm going to be dropping free information in my free community to help you on that journey, to get you on your way to learning what you need to know about crypto to build your own portfolio. Guys, it does not take a rocket ship. It doesn't, you'll see on in my feeds, I'll have information about different things that are happening, advancements in crypto, returns that people are receiving on portfolios or on different coins that have skyrocketed. You don't need that. You really need a portfolio that's going to make you a solid return, 1 to 3% a day or 1 to 3% a week, and let that keep compounding. And you will see a tremendous growth in your portfolio in just a couple years, right? But if you want to, be a little bit more aggressive about it, you want to do your research, you want to understand what coins you should take advantage of while they are in the midst of creating massive change in our world. That is where this education is really important, right? Because now you get to know how to research coins, how to look at companies, how to make the right decisions, just like building your own stock portfolio, but just in a different arena. So I'm the blockchain queen once again. I make crypto easy to understand, easy to purchase, and I want to help you with that next step. So don't hesitate. Type crypto in the chat. I'm going to make sure you get access to my free community where I am showing people over the next 6 days, December 26th through December 31st, how to get the tools that they need to get into this crypto space, build the portfolio that they want for their families. And guys, don't be selfish. Don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who you know is looking for something, someone who said something about crypto, or just share it to your page so other people who you don't even know wanted something to change for them, for their lives, for their families, can see it because they're connected to you. I'm looking forward to seeing you and hearing about all of your success in this crypto journey. God bless.